a new topic called collections. Okay. So, as we discussed last whole week regarding the inheritance and
Hello.
yeah,
Interface.
Moulali, your voice is low for me.
For me also.
how about others? Is everyone is good?
It's a bit low.
It's a bit low, yes.
Bit
It is
low?
clear, but it's a bit low. The
Okay,
volume.
let me see. Give me a second. Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello?
I think the volume is not the problem. Your voice is coming from a distance, it seems.
I don't think so. Now it is okay?
No, it's
Yeah.
still a bit low.
Still a bit low?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me see. Hello? Now it is good?
Yeah, we can hear you, yes.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, today we are going to be discussing about a new topic called collections. Last week we have discussed and we spent a lot of time on two topics. One is inheritance and what is the
Interface.
problem of in the inheritance?
Multiple.
Multiple. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now how we are overcome this inheritance problem and what are the ways we did, right?
Yes.
Okay. So in that we have seen clearly how many methods we are going to become from the interface. How do you are able to create an object with the interface? Okay. And each and every corner we have touched. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if you understand those points, these collections are pretty much easy. So there is no doubt at all. It is very, very easy. So here, if you see, what is the English meaning of a collection?
Group of
Proof of certain elements of certain things.
So it's a group of something, right?
Yes.
So in the same way, we already saw one group of things. What is that?
class.
Methods.
Methods, okay.
Interface.
Class.
I mean, few items we group it together. Few
Array.
items, I'm saying.
Array maybe.
Yes, it is an array, right? So we grouped few things and we have loaded into we packed into the one almari, right?
Yes.
Now, so in an array, we have some issues. For example, when you define an array of 3 elements, okay, So you can able to do multiple methods on that, multiple methods in a sense like uh, uh, taking out the items and replacing the items, and uh, uh, and you can able to add new items. All these things you are able to do that. Yes or no?
Yes.
E- Everyone. So you guys are very clear about arrays, right? We already did about that.
Yes, yes, Moulali.
Yes, sir.
Guys, did you remember this one?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So,
Did you guys clear of these things, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, for example, you have this arrays. Can you able to add a new item on this? If you
Yes.
define the size 10, 20, 30, 40, I want to add a 50 item. Can you able to add it?
Yes.
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 Can someone share the screen and show me? Anyone? Can someone share the screen and show me that?
Yeah.
Anyone is sharing?
Actually, we're writing. After that, we can share.
You are writing now.
Yeah, I'm not
Why
finding where
you
I
guys
have.
did not? Okay. Okay, leave it. I'll share my screen. That's okay. Can someone tell me how can I add an element here?
We can't add.
But someone was saying like we can add, right? Can we able to add it or not?
No, sir. Once it is defined, we cannot.
Hey,
Yes, sir. It looks like can't add it.
Yeah, there is a command called add. I think by that we can add that.
What is that?
Add.
Where is it? Add? Where is it?
I have seen the examples of it. I have to try.
No, I did not ask you to try now. I was asking, can we able to add or not? So that means we already did all your examples earlier. That's what I was asking. Can we add?
No, sir.
Guys, yeah, I mean, you forgot or you remember or you don't know, you did not try. Hmm? Come on. Okay. You remember this example, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
we can add.
Who is able to, who is saying like add? Who's that? Is that Lavanya?
No, hello.
Are you saying we can able to add?
Just I'm remembering now the what we had done in arrays.
Okay. I mean, if you're able to add it, let me know so that we can try. You want to share, Lavanya?
Now I'm trying.
Yeah. Share it, Lavanya.
Yeah, 1 second, Anna. This is the 2-dimensional which I have done previously. So just now I have done this before I given the file. This is the previous which I have done.
No.
When you asked me, just I have added one in the index
Come
extra.
on, man.
That is-
No, I did. You are
Hello?
changing the item. You are changing the item directly. I did not say that. I was
Okay,
asking.
okay, Anna.
You
That's
have
why
to-
that's why I'm waiting whether it was right or wrong. Hello,
Uh-huh.
Anna, I am audible.
Yes.
Yes.
For me, your voice is very low, so that's why I'm getting.
Okay. I don't know like what happened today. So I'm in the same pace as usual, but I don't know. It is very less. You guys are saying.
Yeah, I'm good. Your voice is okay
For
for me.
everyone, some
Yeah, your voice is audible, Moulali.
Okay. So So anyone wants to say that we can able to add the element in the array? If it is yes, then show me so that we'll discuss about it. Guys,
No, I think if not
think
like
very
that,
simple,
then
you know,
Before array
think very
only.
simple. Okay. So this is an almari, right? This
yes.
almari has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 places is there to place your items. Okay.
Okay.
Now these 6 places, and you put this almari and you are fixed it in your home. Okay. Now, will you able to change this one 6 to 7?
No.
No, sir.
No,
Until
it's
unless
not
you
possible.
modify something or some furniture
no.
guy comes and they will change it. Until then, will you able to modify this?
No.
No.
So this is a fixed one. If the almari has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places, it always is a 6 only, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
So the same way, if the cards, when you define a card, it has only 4 items. That means always until this ends. This always in the cards, it's only there. We have discussed about how to access an item, on how many ways to access an item. Right?
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
And
Yes.
we have discussed what is the length of the almari, right? It will give you
Yes.
the length, it will give you the index. Okay. So all these methods we have seen. How we are gonna be access, how you are gonna be remove an item. You can able to remove. You cannot. Here we don't have the method of the remove also. All these advantages of, you know, you can able to add, delete, whatever the things you want to perform, and in a array, you cannot do that because it is a fixed size. Once it is given, that's it. Okay.
Yeah.
That's clear, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so this is one of the biggest drawback in an array. Okay, it is a fixed size where it's not gonna be changed. For example, you said cards only the 4 here. After some time, I want cards as a 5. How should I do that? You cannot able to add an item here, right? Correct?
Yes.
But whatever the things we have seen here previously, we are changing an array element. Okay, we are getting the length and we are looping an item and getting the data. Okay, and we have seen the multi-dimensional array. That's it, right?
Yes.
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 Okay, now with this, we are gonna be understand a new concept is called a collection. Array is also one type of a collection, but it has own limitations. The limitations are, we already seen now. We cannot able to add immediately an item. We cannot able to remove an item. Okay. Whatever the manipulations you want to do an array, you cannot able to do that. So that is one of the limitations over there, right? Now, we will see few other collection types where all these limitations will be overcome. So that is called, these are all are the different types of collections: iterable collection, list, queue, array list, linked list, vector, stack. All these things are the different types of collections where it hold the different items in his bucket basically. Okay, just like an array, but there are some extra features which is providing in these collections where it is not available in the array. Those extra features are like adding, deleting, all these manipulations of this, you can able to do that. Okay, get it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you see this one, right, the blue one is an interface and green one is a class. This dotted line says implements and this hard line is a extends. So this blue one is a interface, right?
Yes.
This is a collection. Iterable is a one type of interface. Collection is one type of interface, and list is a one type of interface, and queue is a one type of interface, and set is a one type of interface. So all these blue ones are interfaces. Okay. Now array list. So array list is a class. Okay. Now tell me one thing. Array list is a class, and all this iterable collection and list and then array list. Can someone tell me this hierarchy, how it is working? Okay, I'll ask the people. Monica.
Yes, sir.
So I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So can you
Yes.
tell me the hierarchy, how it works?
Yes. Collection extends iterable.
Start with the iterable.
Okay, sir. Iterable is an interface
Mhm.
and collection extends iterable.
Okay,
List one second. Sir.
correct.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
List
Go ahead.
extends
Go ahead.
collection and
Yes.
array list can implement list.
Very good. Perfect. Now tell me one thing. See, I have 3 methods in this iterable. I have another 3 methods in the collection.
Yes.
I have 3 methods in the list. Okay. And I have another 3 methods in the array list. Now,
Sir, I couldn't hear after list.
hello.
Sir, I couldn't hear after list.
Hello. Now it is good.
Yes. Sir.
Hello.
Hey, 1 second. Hello.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
See, now here is a 3 methods in the iterable, 3 methods in the collection, 3 methods are list, and also 3 methods in the array list. Sai Shri, how many methods are there in the array list?
So 3, I mean, if you can come back again on the question, so I didn't write it down.
Okay, I have 3 methods in the iterable, 3 methods in the collection, 3 methods in the list, and another 3 methods in the array list. How many methods are there in the array list?
12, sir.
Okay. Leela Prasad. Leela Prasad. Leela Prasad. Okay. Harsha,
Yes, sir.
why 12 methods are there?
Because collection is extending iterable and list is extendable, extends collection. That's why we are having 12 methods in array list.
Can you come again?
Here collection extends iterable
Collection.
and list.
Huh?
Collection interface extends iterable interface.
Okay.
In iterable, again list extends the collection interface.
Mm-hmm.
Total 9 methods.
Okay.
In array list, we are having another 3 methods.
Mm-hmm.
Total 12 methods. That's why.
Okay.
Array list implements the list.
So that means in array list, all 9 methods which does not have a body is implemented here, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Good. Indira.
Sure.
Can you create an object for a list?
Yes.
I will say list integer. Okay. Say that list integer. Now create an object.
For iterable or collection of per list.
I'm talking about, I want to create an object to the list.
List where object
Okay.
is equals to new array
Mhm.
list.
Why array list?
Yeah.
Why array list?
Because it in array list we implementing all the methods, right? Whatever in the list.
Okay.
So implement it.
Yeah, implement.
Okay. Lavanya,
No.
when you create object to the collection.
Object to the collection.
Yeah.
Okay. Implements. Yes and no.
Yes. Tell me.
Collection object equal to new.
New.
Extends implements. It's extending collection.
Collection object equal to new collection.
Extends.
Collection is an interface.
Yeah. Interface. For interface, we can create object. Now it is extending into the list and it was implemented into array.
Okay. I want to create an object to the collection.
Object to the collection. No.
We cannot.
Yeah, only for collection means no.
Collection means no. Okay. Good. Polamita.
Yes.
Create an object to the collection. Lavanya says
We cannot directly create an object because interfaces don't have constructor. But
so
if it
I want to
extends,
create an object to the collection. What should I do?
you need to create it with the array list constructor. Maybe.
Can you please specify?
I cannot hear you. Sorry, noise coming.
Can you please create now? Can you please tell the whole sentence? How do you create an object?
Of collection, right? Collection, obj,
Okay.
new array list.
New array list. Okay. Saurav,
Yes.
is Polymitha saying correct?
Yeah, I think so, because collection is interface, so it doesn't have a constructor, so we can't create object directly, so we have to upcast or something, and we can call the constructor of the array list.
Okay. Nageshwari. Is Polamita and Saurav saying we can create an object? Lavanya is saying no. Which one is correct?
We cannot create an object for the collection, but we can create an object with an array list. Array list obj is equal to new collection of.
So we can do that, right?
Yes.
Okay. Lavanya.
Yeah, no.
Now you are correct and these guys are correct.
Only object for collection means it's not possible. No.
Yes,
Creating
we cannot
object.
possible,
Yeah.
but I want to create an object. However you want to create, you can. It's
Yeah.
up to you. Okay. Apart from the array list, can I create any object to the collection?
No.
One second.
No.
No.
I'll say yes.
Then
Apart from the array list, I want to create an object to the collection.
Apart from the array list,
The priority
I mean
queue.
extending the iterable. You are saying, I think so, but exactly what?
Apart from array list, you can create by any other class, priority queue, hash set, linked list.
Yes. So because it is having the link, just see here, it is coming collection. This collection class, it is going from here to all these classes. And this collection class, it is connecting to the queue and it is going to the priority queue. Same this collection class, it is coming to the set and going to be here. Okay. Now, here, for example, you can just take, there is a method called add is there. Okay. And this method of add in a collection, in array list, they will do 5. And in the linked list, they will say output of add is 6. And here they will say output add as 7. So different implementations are there. So however you want to create, you can able to do that with the help of the class, right? Correct? Because
Yes.
this collection, the method which is providing is a bodiless. It is providing only a signature, right? So the way you want to implement in your classes, it's up to you. So in the array list or in the linked list, in the vector, in the priority queue, wherever you want it, it's up to you how you are going to be implement. But the point is like, he's giving the structure and how you want to implement and what is the output of this, it's in your hand, right?
Is it like a template?
Of course it is. It's just like a blueprint, right?
Yeah.
So the way it is giving here, so he can create the bungalow, or he can create the one small house. He can create the townhouse. He can create the one apartments, whatever it is. Based on the blueprint, he can create whatever he wants, right? Correct?
Yes.
Okay. So now did you understand what we learned in the last classes is directly connecting here?
Yeah.
So if you did not understand the previous one, this one is so difficult. You cannot able to understand at all. Okay? Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to the point here. See, so whenever you want to understand about this collections framework, just open this Java T-point collections and you will get this one. Okay? And you will see like, how can I create an object for this. By seeing this architecture, you will understand. Okay. Right?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Now, these are all the extra things which the collections are providing. Like, for example, you can able to add, you can able to remove, you can able to add all. There are number of things are available in these collections where you can use and you can try about it. Okay. Got it? This is also pretty much same. This is also one type of Almari, but Almari with flexibility. There are more flexible is providing here. So that's only the difference. There is nothing else. And this Almari, this type of Almaris can hold the precious thing. For example, just think like in your shop, you have one type of Almari, and the same way in your home, there is a called safe. Okay. If you have a safe, you can put your gold, your diamonds, and your cash, everything you can put in a safe, right?
Yes.
That is also one type of Almari, right?
Yes.
But this Almari is little bit have more flexibility. Like in this safe, you can have only 2 rows. You want to take it, you want to keep only 2, you can able to do that. You want to keep 10 rows, you can able to do that. All these different types it is providing. This is also one type of Almari, right? It is so precious where you are keeping inside the home, right? And
Yes.
this gold, everything, will you able to hold it in the normal shop Almari? No, right?
No, no.
So those things we are gonna be have because it has the some special features which is available in this type of safe. Okay. So there are some advantages and disadvantages of each and everything would be available. Just read about it and implement all the different methods which is given here. Okay. Got it?
There is a method there. The first number there is add boolean. So boolean is true or false, right? So how can we add something in boolean list?
Okay. We'll see.
That's an return type.
Yes.
Successor.
I need to have a package. Let me add a package. So this is an integer almari. So integer list basically. Okay. So this is normal general English meaning, guys. I mean, if you put a list, means you are keeping all the items, right?
Yes.
That's it, right? That's English meaning basically. In the same way, this is also a list which have the all the items. In the same list, for example, someone is going for taking the attendance. You can keep the people like in the front, back. You can remove everything. You can do, right, in the list of list of people, right?
Yes. Yes.
In the same way, here also a list of integer means list of integer means only the integer numbers only. Only the boys means only the boys. Only the girls means only the girls. Like list of integer means only the integers it will hold. Now in this integer obj dot you can have add. Okay, now tell me what is this?
Boolean, that is a data type.
This is a data type. What do you mean by this?
It only gives the result as true or false. If something is matches the condition, it says true or false.
Something it matches the condition, it will give the whatever the result type, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So that means if I am able to add an one item here, it will give you as a true to me. That's what it is, right? If you do your work correctly, then you can give the what is the return type of it, right?
Yes.
So if I say add of 10, it will give me the so it will give me this one. It will give the true. You successfully add the item. So it will give the Boolean to me. Return type as a true here. If I'm not able to add this item, then it will give the false to me. Right?
Okay.
So I can able to add the items like this. In the same way, you can say obj dot and you can see remove. Remove the integer, remove the object, everything you can do. Okay, got it?
Yes.
So like the cards, you have to specify what are the items you are gonna be hold in this array. But did I specify anything?
No.
I did not specify anything. After that, I will add everything. Okay, these are the extra features which is provided to collections. Okay.
Okay.
Got it? Like
Yes.
this, for all these things has different requirements. Okay. Now list will do something, queue will do something, set will do something. Like we will do different things in the different collections. Okay. Now we no need to be remember and we no need to be practice in each and every. If you do the list, array list, linked list, set, that gives you more idea. Okay. So if you do 1, 2, 3, and 4, it will give you more information for you. So that if you understand the concept, tomorrow if you want to implement the collection, you can able to do that. If you want to implement the iterable, you can able to do that. Because you already know the concept and you already tried these examples here, right? Okay, iterable, which is the implemented class. I can do in array list, priority queue has set. Okay, I want to do the array list, iterable array list. Let me see here. Iterable That's it. So in the OBJ1 also, if you see here, you can see everything. There are whatever the methods is available in the interval is everything is available for you now, right? Correct?
Yes, yes.
So in the iterable, first we discussed here three methods, and three methods. Total how many methods it came here? Earlier is 12 methods.
12,
Now,
yes.
if I created the object to the iterable, how many methods I can able to get it?
Object only iterable, no?
Yeah, only iterable.
3.
How many?
3.
3.
3.
Come on,
3
3 methods.
methods.
three methods. Okay, so like that, only those methods we are gonna be accessible. Okay, got it?
Yes.
So this is really very, very important concepts where we use a lot in our day-to-day programming life. Okay, the collections are very important. Get it?
Yes.
Any questions? Guys, come on, any questions? Manjana, did you understand?
Yeah, Moulali, I'm understanding, Moulali.
Because these are the things we extensively discussed in last 2-3 days, Manjana. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Classes. So try to revise it, sit with your team, discuss with them, and do all your homework. Okay.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Okay. Come on, guys. Any questions? Team A.
I think clear, but I have to do that on my own in order to make it more clear.
Yeah. 100% you need to do the practice. But for now,
Yeah,
whatever
I think the
we
concept
discussed,
is, yes, I think it is clear.
concept is good.
Yes.
How about the every member in the team A?
Yes,
So
it's clear.
okay. Team B.
So actually, I have one doubt.
Very good. Come on, go ahead.
What is the difference between array list and linked list? Array consists of you are listing an array. What linked means? I couldn't get it.
Okay. See, what is the difference between the silver and the gold?
They both
Both are
actually.
metals only, right?
Yes.
Silver is a metal and gold is also metal. What is the difference?
The material is different.
Their value is different.
The value is different.
The value is different.
The features of each metal is different. Okay, one is the white color, one is in yellow color. So one is expensive, one is comes not that much of expensive. It is cheaper, right? The features are different, correct?
Yes.
In the same way, the array list has some sort of features and linked list has some sort of features. So those features you need to read and understand what is the difference between these two. First of all, you need to know how this works basically. Okay, this array list has something. Okay, we can do like this. This array linked list has few things. What are the things we can able to do this? All these things you need to just read it and try it and let us know. Okay.
And which are the 4 main things you say to try?
This array list, linked list, and set.
Okay.
With the set, you can try with the hash set also. With the set, you can try with the hash set. Just only because no one will remember all these things, guys. We need to know the concept. Tomorrow, if you get anything, Manjunath, implement the iterable. If I say that right, immediately he will take this chart. Okay, iterable. Iterable comes with that list. Okay, now I can able to create an object with this. Then you can just go and Google, understand what is happening with the iterable. Then just implement. That's it. Okay. That's it like that. That's the way we have to do. And also we cannot able to do all the whatever the things is defined here. In this also we can just see, okay, we can able to do add, right? How to do add all, how to do remove, okay? What is the return type is giving here, on how to understand, okay? How we can able to do the clearing. All these things we can just understand and read about it and do some sort of examples. You cannot remember all these things. No one would remember. 100% it is. There is no chance at all. But we need to know how to do that. Get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Team C. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yeah. Yes, Moulali.
Over the team D.
No, but we do implement and then come back tomorrow with question.
After,
It's clear, Lavanya?
yeah, Anna.
Okay. Sai Shri, are you?
Yes, sir.
If everyone is good, then we'll add one more concept. Do you want me to add one more concept, or we'll do this practice and we'll add one more concept tomorrow? It's up to you guys.
I think that's my own
I
opinion.
think
We should keep it here and we will try something new tomorrow.
Okay, how about others? You wanna try all these examples and come tomorrow?
Yes.
Yes, Anna.
Yes.
Okay, then if you are want to do all these examples, do it, and then we'll come tomorrow and understand. If you guys able to iterate all these things, and by looking itself you can say this object you can able to create like this, these are the methods we can able to access. If you are able to do that, the rest of the topics are so easy, like Selenium, TestNG, all the things are so easy. Okay, get it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, fine, that's good. Okay, I'll stop for now.